Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Wednesday, August 26, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, dangerous Hurricane Laura to strengthen and strike the western Gulf Coast Wednesday night with life-threatening storm surge, destructive winds, battering surf, and flooding rains expected. Second, raging wildfires continue in the west, increased risk for more dry thunderstorms and additional fires through midweek. And finally, late-season heat wave in the Midwest, showers and severe storms to develop over the northern plains, Great Lakes and Northeast. Hurricane Laura continues to rapidly strengthen and is now forecast to reach Category 4 by this afternoon over the northwest Gulf of Mexico. Laura is expected to produce a life-threatening storm surge, extreme winds, and flash flooding over eastern Texas and Louisiana later today. Hurricane, storm surge and tropical storm warnings are in effect over far east Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. Hurricane Laura has taken center stage as it rapidly intensifies in the Gulf of Mexico this morning. Laura looks to make landfall as a major hurricane Wednesday night somewhere between the upper Texas coast to southwest Louisiana. No matter the exact maximum wind speed or category at landfall, the resulting impacts and hazards will be extensive. A life-threatening storm surge looks to transpire along and just east of Laura's track. In fact, storm surge-related impacts could stretch from as far west as Galveston Bay on east to the central Gulf Coast. Hurricane-force winds will cause damage to homes and businesses, as well as widespread tree damage and power outages. Coastal and inland flooding is also anticipated with moderate risks for flash flooding from the Texas-Louisiana border on north through Arkansas and into portions of the lower Mississippi Valley. Torrential rainfall with 5 to 10 inches of rain, isolated totals up to 15 inches, are expected along the northwest Gulf Coast on north into eastern Texas and western Louisiana. Severe weather will also be a concern as tornadoes could spawn across portions of the lower Mississippi Valley Wednesday night and into Thursday. Note that tropical storm force winds protrude well away from Laura's center, thus allowing the swath of wind damage and power outages to extend well into Louisiana and potentially into southern Arkansas. Residents within Laura's reach should monitor the storm's progress and follow the advice of local officials. Farther west, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are expected through midweek from the Pacific Northwest and northern California to the northern Rockies. Unfortunately, many of these storms are expected to be fast-moving and are not forecast to produce beneficial rainfall amounts. In addition, frequent lightning strikes may only worsen the ongoing wildfire situation in the west through Thursday. Air quality alerts are scattered throughout the west due to ongoing particulate pollution from the vast blanket of smoke aloft. Abnormally hot conditions will also be a concern across much of the west, with temperatures remaining above normal through Thursday. Excessive heat warnings for dangerously hot conditions remain in effect along the southern Colorado River Basin and across much of southern Arizona, where temperatures are expected to soar well above 100 degrees through Thursday. A late-season heat wave engulfs the Midwest and central high plains through Thursday. Some daily record high temperatures could be broken in parts of the Midwest, Rockies, and Southwest through Friday. A series of frontal boundaries will keep severe storms in the forecast on today and Thursday from the northern plains and Midwest to the northern Mid-Atlantic and Northeast through Thursday. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our daily severe weather outlooks are derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our Audio Outlook's AI technology is developed and is digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group, headquartered in Conroe, Texas. Have a safe Wednesday. Please stay weather aware. And thank you for listening.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this extreme weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.